No start. Here's the sequence. Now my seat and steering wheel move.
Overused nowadays.
Radio's on. AC's on. Turn it off.
Having a difference of opinion. If you expect everyone to have the same opinion that you have, then you want a bunch of yes men and yes women around you, and you can't accept when you may or may not be wrong in a certain